I saw a Surronster video where he rented a Surron in Asia. I've never ridden a Surron before, but I said, fuck it, let's go see where it is. So I went on Google, had a look, and it was in Vietnam, but in a really, really small city in Vietnam. It looked like a small town, it had beaches and nice places to surf, so I thought, fuck it, why not, let's go see what happens. So when I actually first turned up, they were really nice about it. They managed to kit me up, I didn't have to bring anything, which was really nice. The guy spoke to me about who was coming with me. He was like an ex-race driver, or still does ride motocross bikes as well. So that gave me a lot of reassurances. I've never driven a Surron before, no experience. Obviously, I've driven other motorcycles when going around Vietnam and stuff, but a Surron has so much torque compared to like a regular motorcycle. So yeah, this is just me getting strapped up and just before I get riding.
It's on all the time.
Yep.
You don't need to switch it off. There is a safety. This is like every motorbike, when the cross is off. When it's like this, it's on, but it's not armed.
Okay.
Because you don't hear anything. You have to press this button and then it's ready.
Okay.
And then now it works.
Yes, okay.
So when you stop, when you drop the bike, first thing you do off.
Okay.
And then on and this.
Yep.
When you do, why you do off before you lift the bike? Because you don't hear anything, and then by just taking the bike off, it goes.
Yeah, okay.
So that's the reason why you have this bike.
Yes.
Rear brake, front brake. You don't need to touch anything here, it's just the horn and the signals. And yeah, that's it.
Does it have modes or like?
Yes.
Can I put it in the low one?
Good question. This is the normal mode,
Yep.
D.
Yep.
Even if he's a racer, he chooses D 95% of the time.
Yeah. Okay.
That's
Sweet.
it. Yeah,
Thank you.
Pick out the peg before.
Yep.
Okay, I can do that.
Yep. And then just click that and it's in ready.
Yeah, but take out your peg.
Huh? Is it down? Oh no. I just wanted to quickly mention that this guy was super nervous and super unconfident. He was amazing. He was such a nice guy, but poor guy did not have any faith in me. I was so excited, I kept forgetting everything. Even my foot peg was about to fling off. Perfect.
That's it.
Yep.
No, it's not ready. Just try. No, because it's off.
On this one?
On, yes.
Good. Oh. Hot. Yeah. It's good.
When you're tired, you told me.
Will do, yeah. I'm just going to use this time to express how many L's I took. I kept falling off this bike, especially near the end when I was exhausted from the 31-degree heat in a full padded suit. It's so tiring on you. So then we arrived at what is like the first sand dune, so it was like a sand dome, and he kind of let me do some donuts in the middle and just like kind of get to grips with going around the sandy dunes. As when you're riding on these dunes, your rear wheel slips up so much, so it's like almost riding on ice. Then after the dunes, we ended up pulling up to the beach, which, as you can see, there's loads and loads of rubbish before you enter the main beach. But overall, it was beautiful, and in all honesty, I didn't even know this was included. Nice.
And now go to on a bit. Don't go to water.
No, yeah. Boom. Then we arrived at the beach, so that was good fun, just driving up and down. It felt a bit strange because it was like a public beach, so people walking up and down while like zipping back on the motorbike. So that was really cool. And then at the end I decided to get my drone out and record this gnarly footage. So yeah, that pretty much concludes everything. So overall, it was an absolutely amazing experience. Arguably one of the best experiences that I did in Vietnam. And I was there for 6 weeks. So yeah, that says a lot. Although Surron's video did say it was $10, in fact it was about £90 for 2 hours, which compared to everything else was super duper expensive. So I couldn't actually find anyone to join me in the hostel that would join along. But overall, I would definitely recommend it. It's certainly worth the price. It's such a unique experience as well. I don't think anyone's going to have done this before. I'll link the company that does this below, along with, if you have any questions in the comments, I'll be more than happy to answer.